Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you how my kids actually can make the egg tarts by themselves under adult supervision. Without further ado, let's go! First, let's start with the custard filling. The calculation of this ingredient is enough for about 8 tarts. So you will need 2 eggs. Whisk it. Add in 32 ml of milk, 66 ml of water, and 32 grams of fine sugar. Now let's continue to make the tart shell. For the tart shell, we are just using the white bread and then cut it with a cup with the diameter of about 10 cm. Flatten the bread with the rolling pin. Spread a layer of butter on it. Then put it on a muffin baking tray. The kids will also like to try out if the tart shell without the spread of the butter will also turn out as good. Repeat the whole process until everything is done.
Huh?
When the egg tart shells are done, fill it with the custard filling. Bake it in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes or until done. Cool it for several minutes before serving. Well, that's all for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do feel free to leave your comments below and tell me your thoughts. I'll see you again in next video. Bye!